Hey you guys, Esikhomesteddah here. I hope everyone is doing well, keeping cool as much as possible, staying hydrated. I have been out this morning since about 7 o'clock, cleaning out my raised beds, getting ready for fall, and I'm so glad that I got some ready. So this is the plan, you guys. This is the plan. This is gonna be my fall garden. And I think I may add some more raised beds to come further down on my left and my right side. The reason being is because I want to revamp my right side of my grow area where my raised beds are that are fenced in. So I'm going to be revamping them through the fall, and hopefully if it cools down, like maybe start by the end of August, I'm hoping that I can start transforming it then, and then work my way over to my right side. So right now, that is the plan, that this is going to be my fall garden along with this area right here. So I'm not sure if I'm going to get to my newly brown wood raised beds, because I'm not fenced in yet. Now I may get away with using shade cloths on them. So what I'm thinking about doing is adding 2 more of the aluminum raised beds where the cinder blocks are, and then I'll have that protection as far as shade cloth. So that's one reason why I'm going to stay in this area, because I can easily cover this area with shade cloths. That will buy me some time over the fall. I can prep my other garden area where the raised beds is at and get that ready for next spring. So this is what my cleanup is looking like. So this is a cleanup video and also a seed haul video. So I cleaned up most of the raised beds over here except for this one right here, because it is actually feeding my melons over here, and I didn't want to pull them because I have actually 2 more melons in here, so I didn't want to pull this out. And there's another melon over there, and there's some more over there, and I still have a few that are inside the fencing area. So probably within maybe a couple of more weeks, I'm going to harvest the last of the melons. Yeah, I got, actually there's 2 in there. Y'all see that? 2 in there. And then there's another one right here. Here's another one. So I'm going to harvest the rest of my melons and then call it quits on the melon. That way I can start cleaning out this area inside this raised bed area. So seed haul. This is the plan, you guys. And this is my seed haul, which is kale trunda and kale thousand head, kale scarlet, and that'll be the first time growing these 3 up top. Then I'm gonna do the red core, the Kyoto red, the black nubella, and we're gonna do the Hidu tiny, and that's a pak choi, and Uzbek golden, atomic red, amarillo, and another Uzbek golden, Japanese red, lettuce, and then Old Tokyo. And this will be my first time growing this as well. The Pusha Rudhira, that will be my first time growing that. The little gem lettuce, the Benny Hushi, that'll be my first time growing these too. So this is a partial seed haul, and this is what I'm going to be growing in this area along with lots of collards. So I'm thinking that I may do the collards inside, along with lots of kale. I'm going to attempt to do some lettuce. I just haven't figured that out yet. But I also have a plan on revamping my salad bar table. So if I can get to that, hopefully, I might even get to that this week, because we've been putting in some work, you guys. Right now we're pressure washing the house this morning, cleaning off the porch. Yeah, we've been doing a lot of home improvements, and we're happy that we're catching up with things, because like I said before, sometimes when you start projects, especially garden, you know, some of your home improvements get put on the back burner, and then it piles up on you. And unfortunately, that's what happened to us. You know, we were so geared at getting the homestead established that we did do some neglect with the house. So we're happy that we're catching up with the house right now, which is good. So we're actually pressure washing. I actually came out here and cleaned out the raised beds. I'm painting my laundry room right now. I mean, I'm just juggling a whole lot today. But today is actually, the morning was so beautiful, and it's still beautiful. It hasn't heated up just yet, but it's getting there, because I can feel it on my raggedy boots, you guys. So that is the plan for the fall garden, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. This is SEK. Don't forget to stay cool, hydrated, and continue to pep and grow, grow, grow. SEK the Homesteader. We'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.